Why don't you tell me about your day? Are you sad Travis left? Must be Christy. He's really... Whoa, it is Christy! Do you miss your girl? She's really pretty, huh?
Oh.
I'm sure you'll see her again. Do you want to go visit her? Do you want to go on an airplane? If you could tell her one thing, what would you say? Okay, I'll deliver that message for you. You're welcome.